The ERC20 token standard describes a common interface for tokens that typically have the following properties. These tokens are fungible, which means that one token cannot be differentiated from another token. They're typically divisible. Most commonly, ERC20 tokens are divisible to as much as 18 decimal places, but this varies from token to token. And of course, these tokens are transferable. So most tokens on the Ethereum blockchain that you have heard of are probably ERC20 tokens. Some common examples of ERC20 tokens are ZRX, MKR, Augur, USDC, and this standard could also be used for all sorts of different categories of tokens, such as stablecoins, securities, derivatives, protocol tokens. It's really pretty flexible. The ERC20Proxy within the 0x pipeline of contracts is responsible for decoding data that is contained in an order specific to an ERC20 token, and then it actually performs the transfer on a user's behalf. It's important to note here that the user must approve this ERC20Proxy contract to transfer its tokens before it is allowed to actually trade those tokens using the protocol. So whenever a trade is initiated, that will typically start at the exchange contract, which will perform all the necessary calculations and then call into the ERC20Proxy. Then for each transfer, the ERC20Proxy will debit the maker's account and credit the taker's account, or vice versa, depending which direction the transfer is going in.